Hello everyone. This is K. Surya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasanadar College. Today, we are going to analyze the poem Gift. The poem Gift is written by Alice Walker. She is one of the most acclaimed Afro-American writers of modern times. A gift is a symbol of affection or love or goodwill. What is given as gift is not so important as the intention and their notion with which it is given. In this poem, Alice Walker says that the lover believes that his lady has created the possession of his soul. The lady is more shocked than surprised upon hearing this. She believes that the man has not given his soul, but has only guarded it safely. The poem is personal and conventional in tone. Here, being racially discriminated Afro-American women, she shows how her lover proposed his love seriously and sentimentally. The poem starts with the lover giving away his heart or soul to his lady love. Though that lady was not interested in him, she takes his soul lightly and keeps it aside as she belongs to the south side of the country. Here, the poet tries to express his opinion regarding the ladies who belongs to the southern side of the country, saying that they are very modest and very humble. She keeps his heart as a mandate and thought to give it back as taken, but later she will fall in love with his heart, and every day her love towards that heart increases. When that lady completely falls in love with him, he returns to her and with an outraged voice asks her to give back his soul. He says her beloved that his heart is a trait and he did not notice that before, and that was the reason he wanted it back from her. The beloved girl says him that he never gave her his heart or soul, but just kept it with her so as to safeguard it. She says him that he never believed her and never loved her and was very possessive about his heart and holded it so tightly that it shrank to the size wherein he could hold his heart in his hand. The closing line of the poem, "It shrank to fit his hand," expresses the stern mind of the lady and crooked mind of the guy. He was angry with his beloved and wanted his gifted soul back. The lady retorted that he always held his soul with him and never loved her at all. The lover was emotional, sentimental, egoistic, and narrow-minded. So, the lady said that he held his soul tightly in such a way that it started shrinking to fit his hand like a sponge. It is a witty reply by the lady that the lover would never love any girl in her life truly. He is actually selfish, but he calls her a possessive lady. The poet implies that true love should expand the soul rather shrinking to hand's size. This poem starts with love shown by a man towards his lover, whom he considered as his life and soul. Later, the poem ends with the possessive nature of a man with his heart and also portrays merciless and mean nature of the man towards his beloved. Thank you.